After decades of hard work by Council and the community, I am so excited to see our chain of parks finally coming to life. If you haven't visited Elder Street South in Clarinda, the latest link in our long-awaited chain of parks, you have to come down and check it out.
The chain of parks will span more than 300 hectares, from Karkarook Park in Heatherton all the way to Braeside Park. At last, green open space will replace former landfill sites that meant our community had to put up with decades of smells, dust, dirt and noisy trucks.
Kingston Council has played its part in creating new green open spaces. The Victorian Government has purchased the missing pieces to fill the gaps and create the Sandbelt Open Space Chain of Parks project over 30 years in the making. These include the massive Henry Street site in Heatherton, Deals Road site in Clayton South, and part of the Clayton Regional Landfill site.
Residents in our northern suburbs are finally seeing the end of the waste industry in our community. We know how important open space is for health and well-being.
Replacing these landfill sites with new parklands is vital to building a strong, active, connected community with great physical and mental well-being. We're thrilled to see Kingston's green wedge transformed into wonderful community spaces for our community to enjoy for generations to come.